Easy flexibility tricks that'll look good in photos. Disclaimer, you might get jumped by Spider-Man, but we'll get back to that. But yeah, just put your leg over your head and then you got some nice pictures here. And next up, just do a split. It looks good anywhere, everywhere. You don't have to warm up for that. Look how good it looks. Nice and simple. And oh, remember when I said Spider-Man was gonna jump you? I don't know these people. They came over and they ran up to me and was like, hey, can I take a picture with you? And I said, yeah, because I was doing the splits. So then we just took a nice photos together. Anyways, back on topic. The next one is a back bend. Now you might be saying, oh, my back is not flexible, but don't worry. It's all about the angles. So at this angle, it makes it so you look more flexible. Just look. That looks way better than the side pose. Alright, next up, you're gonna like twist your body. Like, yeah, you see them hands? Like, I don't need to describe it. You can look. So I guess this looks good because you're like twisting yourself. Anyways, a handstand. I mean, it's kind of flexible, but you can literally take it anywhere, everywhere, light and simple. Well, that's kind of it. Remember to stretch out your back like this. You can like sit on a chair with it and take some pictures. It's easy, nothing too hard. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.